Hi, I'm Kathy with Level Up RN, and I am so excited to announce the winners of our Nurses Week contest, and I will do so momentarily. But first, I just want to thank everyone for participating and for submitting such amazing nominations. I was blown away and inspired by all the stories of nursing students, nurses, and nursing educators who went above and beyond to help those around them. It was really difficult to make our selection, but we had to do it. And so now here I'm going to announce our 3 nursing students who will win $1,000 each. Our first winner is co-sponsored by Chamberlain University, and that winner is Taisha Ogwin. Our second winner is co-sponsored by My Mastery, and that winner is Kimberly Wisneski. And then our third winner is co-sponsored by Simple Nursing, and that winner is Brittany Wen. Congratulations to our nursing student winners and to everyone who was nominated in this category. Now I'd like to announce the winners in our practicing nurse category. Each of these 3 amazing nurses will win $1,000 each. Our first winner is co-sponsored by My Mastery, and that winner is Tara Williamson. Our second winner is co-sponsored by Board Vitals, and that winner is Karina Filosa. And our third winner in this category is Tashi Choki. So congratulations to those 3 incredible nurses and to all the other amazing nurses who were nominated. Now let's announce the winners in our nursing educators category. Each of these amazing educators will also win $1,000 each. Our first winner is Dr. Lisa Gay Morgan. Our second winner is Noon Stepanyan. And our third winner is Mary Labar. Congratulations to those educators and to all the other nursing educators who go above and beyond for your students. So I encourage you all to go to our website, leveluprn.com, to read all of the amazing nominations for these winners. And I would also like to give a special shout out to our sponsors this year who helped to make this contest the best ever. We so appreciate your support. And lastly, I just want to congratulate the winners again and also congratulate everyone who was nominated. You guys should be so proud. Thanks again.